Tuesday night, only at Burger King.
Curled.
The following is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety in conjunction with the United States Follow the instructions given in this alert to protect yourself and your family. At 10:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, monitoring station detected muscle contractions from the northeastern part of the Permian Basin superorganism. This event is expected to cause moderate to extreme damage to property and utility services and infrastructure. Residents are advised to duck and cover inside a table or a sturdy building or thing. Bring food, water, medicine, a hand crank or battery-powered radio and first aid kit in case if access to the rest of your home is destroyed or not possible to reach if television services collapse. Tune to 128. 200. Tall structures. During this event you may experience headaches, nausea, fever, hallucinations, mild seizures, dizziness, reduced cognitive ability, limited precognition, memory loss and extreme muscle cramps. These effects are temporary and will wear and government sources for further information during this event.